Today, we will learn about the benefits of meditation. So let's get started. Meditational. Physically, it can help reduce stress, improve sleep, and increase relaxation. Mentally, it can help improve focus, reduce anxiety, and increase self-awareness. It can also help to cultivate a sense of inner peace and contentment. Ultimately, meditation can help people to live a healthier, more balanced life. Meditation is a powerful tool for improving mental and physical health. It can help reduce stress, improve concentration, and increase self-awareness. It can also help to reduce anxiety, depression, and insomnia. Regular meditation can also help to improve physical health by reducing blood pressure, improving heart health, and boosting the immune system. Additionally, meditation can help to improve mental clarity and focus, allowing for better decision-making and problem solving. Finally, meditation can help to cultivate a sense of inner peace and contentment, allowing for greater emotional balance and resilience. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video.